What is going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. We're going to run my 1991 Kirby Generation 3. And my uncle's being over here being a total and complete goofball. Duh. You're a nut. Mr. LED. Still running like a top 2. Best running 91 Kirby I've heard, I'll be honest with you. Hey, you got her on Messenger? Heather? She's trying to call me, tell her call in a little bit. Someone's trying to call this. Watch your feet. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, comment down below. We'll see you next time. And before I go, I always want to remind y'all, Jesus loves you and have a